do something right now called number talks. And we're going to sit here and we're going to talk about numbers, and that's pretty much what number talks is. Thank you for sitting so. What did you say, Ashley? Thank you for sitting so still. When we do number talks, we're going to do number talks for 10 minutes. Oh, hey, I've got to tell you something. Whenever I move, I would like your eyes and your bodies to follow me.
Yeah, that's what
So
we're
if
doing.
I'm perfect, so if I'm sitting over here, your eyes follow me over here. If I move back over there, your eyes follow me.
Look, when we move our head, our
Look at
eyes.
us. See your eyes. What is your name?
Dandrel.
Donjel. Is that right? Dondrell?
Dandrel.
Dandrel.
When we
Thank you,
move our
Dandrel.
head, our
Beautiful
eyes.
job.
When we move our eyes, our eyes.
I'm going to set my timer
When we move our
for
head.
10 minutes. How many minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. I'm going to set my timer. And when it goes off, I would like for you to say,
Time is up.
oh, let me speak. Let me speak. I would like for you to say, let's move on. What are you going to say?
Let's move on.
What is your name? India. Is that right? Thank you, India. Let's move on. By the way, I don't think I've introduced myself. My name is Miss Schoonover, and I will be in your room at this time for this week, so I'm really excited about that. I'm going to show you some cards. When I show you these cards, would you please put your finger on your head if you know how many dots are on the card? Where are you going to put your finger? Yeah, you can put your whole hand on your head. Mackenzie, you with me?
I'm right-handed.
Okay. Here we go. Here's the first card. Finger, or hand on the head if you know it. If not, then you can do what you need to do. You can count. You can, if you just know the number, that's fine too. Mackenzie. Here's the way it works. Don't call out, okay? If you know the number, your hand goes here. Ready? Here it is. All eyes up here. Thank you, Kenneth. Nice job. Here we go. Look how fast, lightning fast I see. India, take a look. Okay, can you see the number, girls, back here? I love, love, love how quiet you are. You're waiting for your friends to figure it out. Now put your hand on your shoulder if you would like to share with me what this number is. Okay, I'm looking for shoulder. Dandrel, how many is there?
7.
Okay, give me a thumbs up if you agree. Okay, thumbs in the middle if you're not sure, and thumbs down. And let's talk about this for a second. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take some other guesses, and then we'll check, okay? So Dandrel says 7. Anybody else have a thought about this? What do you think? And help me remember your name. I feel like I've met you today. Micaiah, I have met you. Do you think there's 6? Okay, how many of you agree with that? Okay. All right, so I've got 6 and I've got 7. Hand on your shoulder if you think there's some other way. Any other way. I don't think I said this. Okay, your hand is on your shoulder. How many do you think you see?
6.
Okay. If anybody thinks it's something other than 6 or 7, put your hand on your shoulder. Do you think it's something different? What do you think it is?
What's up with my eye?
All right, you're not sure? Well, we're about to figure it out. Because we're going to, blink it a few times. We're going to go ahead and, actually, yeah, we're going to count. Count with me, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so there's 6 dots. Dandrel, you know what? You took a risk. And is it okay if we make a mistake?
Yes.
Mistakes, yes or no? Are they good? Are they okay?
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. Because guess what? That's how we learn. We learn from our mistakes. That's how we learn. Now, Nikia, was that right? Micaiah. I've met a Nikia today too. Micaiah, you said 6. How did you see 6? Listen, girls. What did she just say, guys? Thank you, Ashley. She added it up. So what do you mean you added it up? What did you say in your head?
I said 5 plus 1 equals 6.
Put your hand on your shoulder if you did the same thing. If you said, oh, 5 and 1, 6. Wowee. I'm going to write that eyes are following me over here. And I'm going to write 5 plus 1 equals 6. And help me spell your name, Micaiah.
M-A-K-Y-A.
Beautiful. Thank you, Micaiah. She saw 5 and 1 more made 6. Did anybody see this any differently? How did you see it, sweetie? I'll come back to you.
1 plus 5.
Hey! What is your name?
Richard.
Richard said 1 plus 5 is 1. We know 5 plus 1 is 6. Is 1 plus 5 also 6?
Yes.
Yes. Richard. He squished it over. Richard, nice job. Did anybody see it any differently? It's okay, sweetie. We can worry about ourselves. I know you're trying to help him. Thank you, babe. No worries. How did you see it, sweetie? You counted 4. Where were the 4 that you counted?
Nice.
Okay, so she saw 4 kind of right here in a triangle. 4, Ashley, and added 1, 2. 4 plus 2. Indy, are you with us? 4 plus 2 equals 6, and that was? Oh, Sierra. I was thinking, I was going to write Ashley, wasn't I? Tell me how you spell Sierra. Beautiful. Thank you, Sierra. We have 5 plus 1 equals 6. We have 1 plus 5 equals 6. We have 4 plus 2 equals 6. Mackenzie, do you see it a different way? How do you see it? Your next baby.
1 plus 5 more equals 6.
Okay, so you were looking at it the same way Richard was. Good job. Do you see it any differently? Okay, where's your 3? Oh, and then what did you do? Okay, but what about these 2? Did you? Okay, so you did 3 here, and then did you just count the rest? Like, I know that's 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 3 plus 3. Nice job. What is your name, sweetie? Help me spell it.
Not L.
Oh, L. Oh, I need to turn up my ears. L. Thank you. It's late in the day, too. Huh? L.
You missed 2 on it.
L. A. K. Lakaya. Now that I see it, I'll remember it. Thank you. And thank you. Because you know what? Hey, I talked about mistakes being okay. Mistakes are all right. We make them all the time, yeah? Here comes another one. I'm going to switch here. Sit up for me. Oh, my goodness. Looking for people that are with me. I know it's late in the day. I see, what is your name, sweetie? Justin. I see Justin with me. And, no. Tell me again.
Danielle.
Dandrell. Dangelle's with me. Richard's with me. Canada's with me. Oh, look at, and everybody's moving this way. Ooh, as I almost fall. Okay, here we go. Here's another one. Let's do this one. Ready? Give me a little drum roll on your, there you go. Okay, and stop when I turn it around. Ready? Oh, keep going, keep going. Stop when I turn it. Ready? Shh. Hand here, hand here. If you know it, hand here. Nice job. Oh, I see some eyes going, some thinking going on. We're giving all of our friends a chance to think about it first. Nice, good. Kenneth, what do you see?
It's 7.
How did you see? Oh, first of all, does anybody have anything else to say? Does everybody agree?
counted
Thumbs
them.
up. Hold that thought for just a second. Thumbs up if you got 7 too. 7 also. Did we get something different? Justin, did you get something different, sweetie? What did you get?
I forgot already.
Okay, that's okay. That's all right. Is there anybody that got anything different than 7?
Oh, not me.
Okay. Kenneth, explain to us how you got 7.
I counted the red ones first, and then the gray ones, then I got the dark one, and
So did you go like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Okay, so he counted them all up. That's how he got 7. He counted the red, then he counted the black. Is there anybody that did anything different than that to get 7? Justin.
I counted like the red first, and I had one black. Then I counted the two at the bottom.
Okay, so did you say 1, 2, 3, 4? And then 5, 6, 7? Okay, so you counted them all up also, starting with the red and the black. That's interesting. Starting with red and black. Richard?
Yes. 2 plus 4 equals 7.
Okay, where do you see 2? How'd you get 2?
Those 2 black ones, and I added up the rest.
Okay, so what about this one?
I added that one too.
Okay, so did you say 3? You mean 3 plus 4? Look at that. Did you know right away that this was 3, or did you have to count them up?
I know it was 3.
I know how to count without making
Put your hand on your shoulder, India. If you knew that this was 3 right away without counting. Some of us have to count, and that's fine. Some of us know that that's 3. So Justin, you say, okay, I know that's 3, and then did you say 4, 5, 6, 7?
Yes.
So then that's called counting on. All right, Justin, I'm going to put, you said 3 plus 4 equals 7. And
Richard,
Richard.
Sorry, thank you.
mistakes are okay.
Yeah, it'll take me just a little bit, but by the end of the week I'll have it. Okay, did anybody see that differently? Ashley, did you see that differently?
Yes. 4 plus 3 equals 7.
So Richard said 3 plus 4 equals 7, and Ashley says 4 plus 3 equals 7. Can they both be right? They sure can. It's still 7.
And my name is A-S-H-L-E-Y.
Oh, thank you. Anybody see it differently? Yes, ma'am. What's your name? Are you Kamaya? Kamaya. Okay. Kamaya, how did you see it?
I counted the 2 red ones, and I counted the 3 black ones.
Okay. So you said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then did you count these 2? 6, 7? Oh, you didn't. You forgot to count these 2? So if she forgot to count them, how many are there? If she forgot to count these 2?
5.
Yeah. 7. Take away these 2.
Equals 5.
Yes.
That makes you
Good thinking. Got 'em back in. Okay, boys and girls, I've got one more minute. One more minute. Thank you to, oh goodness. Thank you, girls. What is your name again? Lakaya. Thank you. Did you see this a different way?
100 plus 2 more is.
How did you see it? 2 plus 3 reds, then what? Then you counted the other 2? So could I say 2 plus 3 plus 2? Oh, wow, wait, everybody go like this. And go low in my mind. Do it again. Put your hand here. India. And go. Yeah. So I'm going to write that down, what Lakaya said. She said she did these 2 black ones. Oh, Lakaya, right? Then she did 3 red ones right here. And then she finished up with these 2 here. She kind of just did a little line right around. So we know that there's 7 here. We've already talked about 7, right? Oh.
That's time for
What are you going to tell me?
Number 1.